Hello everyone, welcome back. Dominique here with another video. You feel me? Right now, of course, I'm doing my brows off camera. I use a Nicki K pencil and the concealer that I'm using today, except for LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm going to be using my NYX Above and Beyond Full Coverage Concealer in this little pot right here, and it's in the color Tan. I rarely use it. When I do, see, I can't find my toffee concealer, even though everything is in one spot, and I probably didn't put it in the right drawer, or just don't feel like using it. I do just conceal, straighten out, clean up the bottom with it, and blend it down, of course, for some help for the eyeshadow. And yeah, today's look today, as you can see by the title, I should have done this on Pride, but I'm gonna still do something, rainbow-rific and very colorful for Pride again. Anyways, it doesn't really matter. But this was requested by my twin, not my real twin, but a very, 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 very close friend. I posted this look on Instagram and she loved it and wanted me to record it. So here you go, Tosh. I will be recording rainbow eyes, every last color in the rainbow. So if you're interested and ready for it, stay with me. Using today will be my Nicki K palettes, as always. Excuse me. And basically the colors in the rainbow. The blue, the green, the purple. Put some more concealer on my lids and cut where my rainbow will start. Okay, now with this look, it requires me to use some tape so I can have a very sharp edge and like a like a wing. So it does require me to use some tape. I'm gonna sit here and start with a base color. A base color probably will be some type of orange, pink, or yellow. Let me just start off with some simple color. I'm mixing all color. Ooh, okay, maybe a little bit of orange will do, right?
Yeah, I like the light brush of the orange.
I use my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toffee and make a crease. And that crease will be brought all the way to the tip, make it like a sharp wing with the tape being your guide. Okay, it's gonna look something like this, bring me normal crease and all the way back to make a wing. If you do not know how to do a crease, I recommend looking at someone who does a very precise crease tutorial, because I can't somehow do it on camera without getting so close and getting out of focus, and the light it will never work. But you cannot. There's a lot of YouTubers out here, I'm pretty sure, can see. Look, definitely teach you how to do it. So I'm gonna do the other eye and I'll be right back. I always say my never are freaking identical, but in the long run it somehow works, and I tried to make them identical without making a bleaking fool out of myself, looking like a ninja or whatever the case may be. But if they don't look identical, it is okay. It is okay, because you know what you can do? Get that color that you had and kind of like make it, ooh, yeah, make it do what it, oh my god, make it do what it do. Make it do what it do. I have to look at how a rainbow looks like. I mean, the colors. I like going by the coordination of the colors and how they start to finish. So I'm just gonna Google rainbow colors. Did a tree just fall? A tree did just fall. Pink, yellow. I'm sorry, pink, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, whatever color, whatever shade of that color I have, I will be using. Because if I have a bright yellow, if I have a lime green, I will be using that. And yeah, so first and foremost, pink. So I'll be starting off with pink. This pink that's in this palette, I did not use for what I posted on Instagram. So this one is probably a little bit brighter, and it looks like this. And yeah, so I'm gonna start with the pink. Okay. Just a pink on the Alright, and the next color is orange. Color is orange. Oranges in this palette is very very vibrant and glitter majority. So I'm gonna use a different orange that I have. I don't think this is not the color code that I did on Instagram. The order that I did. It didn't work. Alrighty, let me do this color and I'll be right back. Alright, I got that color done and over with. I'm blending it out, you know, outwards and within that pink. But the next color will be yellow, and then the next one after that will be green. This green is, however, is going to be really bright, and I don't care. It's pretty. It's very pretty. I used it in my little St. Patty's video, late upload video, and it's it's very pretty. But after green, I think it's blue then purple. But I don't see, you know what? This is about to be my rainbow. Ooh, I look like the Teletubbies right now. Don't they tell? I need the Teletubby colors. Tinky Winky. Tinky Winky, Dipsy, Lala, Po. Tinky Winky is purple. Lala's yellow. Po is the little cute, quiet one. Lord, I forgot. I really forgot. Okay, I'm like, I'm done with the green. The purple will be the last color, and the purple will be a wing. The rest of that space is a purple, purple wing. This might look crazy, but I will clean it up. Now let me clean it up a little bit, and I'll be right back. I probably do my face, complete my whole, you know, makeup routine face, and then show the ending result and like conversate about what color lip I should do, and therefore. Alrighty, she is, you know, she's back. She's back with a poppin' highlight. She's back with a light bulb nose. She's back with a lit Cupid's bow. She's back with a pale lip. Therefore, she's back because she wants to show you what lip she's using, y'all. And this is just a regular orange I just put up here. And I put some highlight on the brow bone. You know, did my little 1-2, boom, bam, close up, wham. And the lashes are Caroline by Shop Miss A. They are $1. These type of lashes are just like the end, not the whole strip, the end. And I love the effect that it gives. Cleaned up a little bit. I added a little bit of blush. Just made a little bit of tint of pink in the cheeks, just a little bit, because you know this is a very colorful look. And I did the setting spray was by NYX, of course. I just inhaled that. Oh my god, I'm dropping stuff. All right. So for lip, my lippies are all dark, probably like a few nudes. But I'm thinking about, I do have a Cyber, the satin lip by
MAC. Probably not. I want a matte lip. That's satin. So a matte lip I do haul. From my local beauty supply store. That's a better gloss. They look pretty good. This is cute too. silky stick by MK. Get out of my beauty supply store. Oh no, boom. Which one? I'll do this one or should I do this one? And then I do have a
pencil. Then I have this type of berry color. I think the berry would go good. Do you? Okay, let me see about the berry. So the berry color. I'm gonna line my lips with Hot Cocoa by NYX. Just a tad. This needs to be sharpened, but I do not have the sharpener in my location right now. So I'm gonna indent it in my lips. Hopefully this video is less than probably like 12 minutes. I'm trying to get my videos at least about 10, no more than 15 if need be. So the lip liner is on. This is, ooh, this is berry. I think berry would be cute. Okay. Yep, berry it is. Like I had, how much was this? I think this was maybe $3.99. Come through berry. Oh my. I thought I didn't like this lip, but maybe it's just the looks, because I don't wear. You like berry? It's matte. Look at me. I'm sitting here rolling it back down. Ooh. So berry. Ooh, give it up for the bright lip that I finally done did on this channel. Yeah. I hope Tosh loves it. I hope you guys love it as well. What am I missing? Am I missing anything? Put all my brushes back. Like I said, the lashes are by Shop Ms. A. They are called Caroline. The lip is a berry. It's called Boysenberry. And it's a matte stick. The brand Absolute New York beauty supply store. Boysenberry NFA 59. NFA 59 Boysenberry. The highlight is by my contour palette that I have. The eyes, of course, are by Nicki K palettes, the 23 and the 32 color one. You can go on their website and find it. $4.99, $5.99, one or the other. You know, rainbow eyes going on here. The foundation I use is Fit Me, Maybelline Fit Me, in the color 360 Mocha. This is my new foundation that I've gotten. I had a different one, but I like this one way more better than this one. Even though it might be still a little bit dark, but it's better. Way better. I hope I told you everything. You know, I told you about the brows. Got a little Puma shirt on. I think, am I done? I think she's done. Yeah, I got the highlight and everything. She popping. Yeah, I believe I'm done, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this little rainbow look I got going on here. It was very easy, very simple, very quick. Amateurs can do it as well. Pretty sure you've seen this a couple of times, but it's my way. Appreciate this highlight. Appreciate the hair. And you guys, like, comment, subscribe. I'll hope to see you all viewing and liking, comment my next video. You can share it. You can always comment. I do respond to comments. My social medias are in the beginning of my little intro video, but I'll be sure to put it in the description box. And cut off. But thank you so much, you guys, for tuning in. I will see you all in my next video. Thank you so much. I came back because I wanted to give you guys a close-up. I love it. I love this. It came out so good. OMG. I love it. Hands down. I love it. Thanks, you guys.